Everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will be looking at the do while loop of Java. So we have already discussed about the theory aspects in my previous video, and we will be looking into the program of a do while loop in this particular video. So for this, let me create a program which is do while.java. Okay, and I will open the do while.java file here. Okay, for this, now let me first of all mention what it is all about to demonstrate do while loop in Java. Okay, now I have a class and the class name should be same as that of the file name. Okay, so class that I'm going to keep my main method, of course. So class do while, and here what I am trying to do is I will create the class body. Okay, and now inside this, let me write down the first main, write down the main method, which is public static void main string args, and then within here I will be trying to declare an instance variable, int I is equal to, let's say, 1. Okay, so this will basically print the values from 1 to 10, and this is again, this has to be small. Okay, now after I have initialized it, let me write down the do while loop. So here the first one is I have to write down the code that needs to be executed. So let me write down system.out.println, and here I'm trying to print the value of I, and after that now I will simply use, I don't know why this keeps on changing. Yes, so now what happens is I will update the variable, okay, loop variable basically, ++, and then I will write down the condition here, which is while I is less than is equal to 10. So the condition of I should be less than and equal to 10, and I will be terminating this with a semicolon. This I keeps on changing. Yes, now after that I will be simply closing the loop here. Now this program should be giving me the output as 1 to 10. Okay, so let me save this, and now let me write down java c do while .java, and here since it is showing me no error, let me run this. So do while. Okay, so see, I'm getting the numbers from 1 to 10 being printed here, right? Now as soon as it reaches 11, so whenever in I++ it reaches 11, that means this condition will no longer be satisfied, and it will come out of this particular loop. So this is how the do while loop works in Java. So this is very simple. We have also done in our C programming languages. So this is exactly the same concept that we have, just with some of the few different syntaxes of your Java. Okay, now talking about the infinitive loop, suppose I have to use an infinitive loop. Okay, so let me write down a different program, or I'll just use the same program. Let me write down a different program. So I'll simply use this code here, okay, in order to write down do infinity. Okay, do in. So demonstrate do while infinitive, this is not the program, so I'll just save this, execute it. Okay, and then this is, now I'll open this particular program, open do in .java. So here I will be showing you how to do the the infinitive loop works. So first of all, class, so it is do in, and here I will be writing down the main method, which is public static void main, and then string args. Okay, talking about this now, if I want that I need to print a statement infinite number of times, then I simply have to write down the printf statement here, or not printf, sorry, system dot out dot println. Okay, and here I will write down that I am infinitive loop. Okay, so now, but before this I have to put it inside the do while loop. So let me write it down here as do. Okay, and I will simply open the body of the bracket, body of the do while loop here, and then yes, I missed this out. And then here what I'll do is I will simply write here while true. Okay, while true, so it will be executing up till I manually don't stop it. Okay, so I'll just pull this here, and let's say java c do in dot java. So is it showing me any error? Record is expected, public static void main string arguments. What is the error? Oh, sorry, the class itself is capital. Okay, so right, so java c and this. Now let me do this. Okay, see, it is going on executing until and unless I do not manually stop it. Okay, so this is how the infinitive loop works. This is similar to what we have done in our while loop also. Okay, so while, however, we mentioned somewhere here, okay, just before, because it's an entry control loop, and this is because it is an exit control loop. I will be checking the condition after the first time it is executed. Okay, so now I will manually stop this command. Okay, so this is how your infinitive loop works. One more thing you have to remember is that if you are trying to use this, okay, if you are trying to use an infinitive loop, definitely you can make things work. Like, I mean, what some of the students, they simply asked that what is the use of this infinitive loop, why this infinitive loop is needed if we do not make any use of it. Basically, when you see some programs in let's say an automatic teller machine, okay, or in some interfaces, a part of the program needs to be executed repeatedly, okay, without any human intervention. So at those type of applications, they need some infinitive loop to be executed. Okay, so that particular screen is flashed all the time, and only when there is a human intervention, that screen would stop flashing. Okay, so basically that is just one of the simple examples where you can make use of infinitive loop. However, you can make some other usage of it also. You can associate conditions, but if you want to do it, you can do. So this is how your this is how your do while loop in Java works. Okay, in my next video we will be talking more about some more advanced concepts of Java. Thank you.